Hello, welcome to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Erol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will talk about how to track UTMs in Looker Studio. Let's dive in. Before talking about how to do that in Looker Studio, let's discuss about what UTMs are and should you use them and how to use them if so. So the first question that you should answer is that should you use the UTMs? If you run ads, paid ads, email campaigns, or post on social media and want to learn which ones are bringing the best solution results for you, then yes, you should use UTMs. There are 5 UTM parameters that you can use: source, medium, campaign, term, and content. I'm pretty sure that you have heard about them previously. And about how to use them, so how do you use them? So you just append all these UTM parameters by the end of your URLs. You may need to read the documentations about how to use them in different cases, for example, for meta ads, Google Ads, emails, etc. There's a nice tool by Google, URL Builder. You may want to use it as well. Just Google it and you will find all the details. Let's say that you are using UTMs already and want to analyze them in Looker Studio. All you need to do is to add a chart, add a table, for bar chart, whatever it might be, and then select the metrics that you want to analyze. Sessions, total users, purchases, those are the ones that I select for this example. You can highlight your tables by doing heat maps, or change their color codes, or you can use bars and add numbers so that you can easily see what's going on. So let's give some more space for this revenue. All right. Okay, so here we can see that there are 67 different source medium pairs in this table alone. It might make your job a bit tougher to analyze all these rows in here. In this case, you may want to add something to filter the rows in this table. If so, you can come over here, click on Add Control, and select Advanced Filter to replace what I have here. What it essentially does is it selects all these rows and do these functionalities, equals, contains, starts with, etc. Let's do contain. And then once you add a value here, let's say email, it will filter the rest of the table so that all source mediums here that we see are email related source mediums. For example, the first one brought us 670 sessions, while the last 3 brought only 1 sessions. So since we have source medium and session campaign in the drill down, we can select the source medium and drill down to see if we have more campaigns, more than 1 campaigns in it. In fact, we do. Here we can see that we have 4 campaigns associated with these source medium pairs. In this campaign, for example, the top one has the highest sessions, highest revenue, but more importantly, highest average order value. And conversion rate is also good. You might think that this one has a nice conversion rate as well, but it has only 31 sessions for 11 users and only 1 purchase. Thus, the conversion rate looks high. But if you add more sessions into that, probably the conversion rate will be lower. But you only need to throw some sessions into this to learn more. Okay. Another thing that we can do is we can select, for example, regex. Let's say that you want to analyze 2 different UTM sets here. And let's select email again. And then let's do CPC. Okay. Now we ended up with 8 rows, one of which is for CPC. You can click on CPC and then dive into it as well. So there are 11 different campaigns in this CPC, Google Ads efforts. One other thing that I want to show you is, let's remove them, is that let's say that in these 67 rows, not all source medium pairs have the highest session counts. Let's say that you want to reduce some noise and exclude some of those rows from this list. all you need to do is add to a metric slider. Okay. What it does is that, let's say that you want to analyze data only if they have at least, let's say, 50 sessions. Okay. By doing it, we will use a cutoff from here. So this campaign will be eliminated. It has a great conversion rate, but it didn't have much sessions, so that it might be misleading. Click on this session slider. It's a tough UI, but you can click on these minimum and maximum numbers as well. Let's replace it with 50. You see? The table is filtered out accordingly. Now we have only 15 rows. The heat maps are much more meaningful currently for both average order value and conversion rate, so that you can extract more insight doing that. It's not only for sessions, of course. You can use it for any metrics that you have on your table. You can use total users or purchases, for example. You want to analyze campaigns that has at least 3 purchases. Let's do it. So 50 sessions and at least 3 purchases. Only 8 of them has this condition, approved. Let's change it. So you see, accordingly, our results are changing. That's it for this video. If you like it, please like it. And if you want to learn more about Looker Studio, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are a data-driven marketer who wants to be a better data-driven marketer, subscribe to my newsletter. See you in the next video.